Do you want to lose weight effortlessly without strict diets or intense workouts? Discover 10 scientifically backed tips that can help you shed pounds naturally and easily. From drinking more water to getting better sleep, these simple lifestyle changes can make a big difference. This is Dr. Diane Thompson. Welcome. This is a channel where I help women over 50 achieve healthy aging. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you like this type of information. 1. Drink more water. Sometimes what feels like hunger may be a sign of thirst. Water can increase feelings of fullness, leading to a decrease in overall calorie consumption. Drinking water before meals helps create a sense of fullness, which can reduce overall calorie intake during the meal. By feeling fuller, individuals tend to eat less food, leading to a reduction in calorie consumption and subsequent weight loss. A 2015 study by the University of Birmingham confirmed the benefits of pre-meal hydration. This study found that participants who drank approximately 2 cups of water 30 minutes before their main meals lost 44% more weight over a 12-week period compared to those who did not drink water before meals. Since the appropriate hydration level differs for everyone, check with your doctor before making any changes. 2. Eat more protein. Protein increases the production of hormones which help you feel full while reducing levels of the hunger hormone. High-protein diets have been linked to increased satiety and reduced hunger. Protein supports the maintenance of lean muscle mass during weight loss, which is crucial for maintaining metabolic rate and physical strength. The digestion of protein burns more calories compared to fats and carbohydrates, providing a slight metabolic boost. One study found that increasing protein intake from 15% to 30% of total calories helped participants eat 441 fewer calories per day and lose 11 pounds over 12 weeks without intentionally restricting any foods. If you need help figuring out plants that are good sources of protein, check out our video on high protein plants. 3. Use smaller plates. Smaller plates make portions look larger, which can trick your brain into feeling more satisfied with less food. A study published in the International Journal of Behavioral Nutrition and Physical Activity in 2024 investigated the impact of plate size on food consumption. This study found that participants using larger plates consumed significantly more food compared to those using smaller plates. The study confirmed that larger plates can lead to increased food intake due to visual illusions, making portions appear smaller and encouraging overeating. 4. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep disrupts the daily fluctuations in appetite hormones, leading to poor appetite regulation and increased calorie intake. Short sleep duration can disrupt glucose metabolism and increase insulin resistance, contributing to weight gain. In addition, sleep-deprived individuals may be more likely to engage in unhealthy eating habits and have reduced physical activity levels. Numerous studies have linked poor sleep with weight gain. One review found that short sleep duration increased the likelihood of obesity in both adults and children by 89% and 55%, respectively. To reduce the risk of obesity, it is recommended to ensure sufficient sleep, typically 7 to 9 hours per night for adults. If you find this information helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more on healthy aging. 5. Eat mindfully. Mindful eating helps you recognize hunger and fullness cues, preventing overeating. Mindful eating involves paying full attention to the experience of eating and drinking. This heightened awareness helps you better recognize when you are hungry versus when you are full, helping you to reduce overeating. By focusing on the present moment, mindful eating can help individuals manage emotional triggers that lead to overeating or unhealthy eating patterns. A 2016 study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism integrated a mindful eating intervention into a weight management program. It found that participants who practiced mindful eating lost more weight compared to those who did not. For effective weight management, it is recommended to practice mindful eating regularly. This includes eating slowly, savoring each bite, and minimizing distractions such as television or smartphones during meals. Consistent practice can enhance the enjoyment of food and contribute to sustainable weight loss and healthier eating habits. 6. Increase fiber intake. High fiber foods take longer to chew and digest, which can lead to a feeling of fullness and reduce overall calorie intake. Fiber slows down the passage of food through the digestive system, leading to a more gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream and reducing hunger pangs. Foods high in fiber often have lower energy density, meaning you can eat larger portions without consuming too many calories. A 2015 Harvard Medical School study showed that high fiber foods can increase the feeling of fullness and help you eat less. The study found that simply adding more fiber to the diet was as effective for weight loss as more complicated diets. To gain the weight loss benefits of fiber, include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds in your diet. Aim to gradually increase fiber intake to around 30 to 35 grams per day to avoid digestive discomfort. Also, ensure adequate hydration. 7. Avoid sugary drinks. Sugary drinks are high in calories but do not provide a sense of fullness, leading to increased overall calorie consumption. On the other hand, water can help fill the stomach, promoting a feeling of fullness and reducing the likelihood of consuming extra calories from other sources. A 2016 study published by researchers at Virginia Tech and reported in the journal Nutrients found that replacing one sugary drink per day with water significantly reduced caloric intake. This contributed to an overall reduction in weight. To aid in weight loss and improve health, it is recommended to replace sugary drinks with water. This simple change can help reduce daily caloric intake and support weight management efforts. Consider adding lemon to change the flavor. 8. Avoid diet sodas. Artificial sweeteners may disrupt the body's ability to regulate calorie intake based on sweetness, leading to increased overall calorie consumption and weight gain. Artificial sweeteners may also affect the hormones that regulate hunger and satiety. Disruption in the balance of these hormones can lead to increased appetite and calorie intake. Some studies suggest that diet sodas can lead to weight gain and other health issues due to potential metabolic effects and increased cravings for sweet foods. Research published in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society in 2015 found an association between diet soda consumption and increased abdominal obesity in older adults. 9. Keep healthy snacks on hand. Accessibility to healthy snacks ensures better choices when hunger strikes, reducing the temptation to consume high-calorie junk food. A study published in the Journal of the American Dietetic Association in 2011 found that individuals who kept healthy snacks readily available at home were more likely to maintain a healthy diet and weight. The study concluded that having easy access to nutritious foods encourages healthier eating habits and helps prevent reaching for unhealthy options. This strategy is effective in supporting weight management and promoting overall health by making it convenient to choose healthier snacks over less nutritious alternatives. Examples of healthy snacks include fresh fruit, vegetable sticks, nuts and seeds, yogurt, whole grain crackers with avocado or peanut butter, air-popped popcorn without butter, smoothies made with fruits, vegetables, and yogurt, or a small piece of dark chocolate. 10. Reduce stress. Stress increases the production of cortisol, a hormone that can lead to increased appetite and fat storage, particularly in the abdominal area. Chronic stress is linked to weight gain and unhealthy eating habits. A 2014 study explored the impact of various stress management interventions, including aerobic exercises like walking, swimming, and cycling, paced abdominal breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, and guided imagery. These interventions were shown to be effective in reducing stress and improving overall well-being, leading to a reduction in abdominal fat. By incorporating these simple, evidence-based strategies into your lifestyle, you can achieve weight loss and improve overall health without the need for rigorous dieting or intense exercise regimens. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more information on healthy aging.